Welcome to Bective Abbey. The noise in the background is a lot of guys playing with the FPV drones. I really want one of them. It looks so cool. But I know it crashed in the first like 2 seconds. Anyway, that's what that sound is. We're here at Bective Abbey. I'm gonna take a walk around this. It's not what I was actually expecting though, to be honest.
Here. Oh, big worm.
What?
Beware falling rocks. Oh, let me get a bit. There we go. But I don't think we can get inside it, which would be cool. Probably get in with a drone. But I have no information on this place, actually, to be honest with you. Zero. I don't know jack. Ooh, and you can get in. Let's take a little stroll inside, shall we? I think this was the stairs. Only goes up so high. Come on, people, stop leaving your litter around. Okay, still shy talking in front of people, so we're gonna go whisper mode. So that would have been the stairs up to the second floor. So it looks pretty cool. Really old. So glad I can actually get in here. Most places don't let you in this deep. So that would have been the second floor, which looks like it's all after crumbling in. And that would have been some storage, I assume, because that's under the stairs. There's the stairs starting here. Just steps over. But yeah. This could be a 3 or 4 part video. Sorry about the crunchy sound. Oh yeah. We can get up here. No way. This is awesome. Normally I'll fall. So yeah, be very careful. It goes up higher, but I'm not. Sorry, you can't see anything. There's a big hole right there to fall down through, and I know I'll be paying attention to the camera and not fall. And I don't do well with heights either, so. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. Let you get in so far, it's free. Tarry Hill. See? Just be very careful. That's all you need is a sleepy stone. I don't know if you can see. So like that brings you up again and around, and then there's no step there. So if I had a little slip on the way down, gone. And I'm not risking it, as you know. Why not? It's my excuse for doing nothing daring. See? If I was a bit more daring and younger and not about to head off on a trip I've been planning for 2 years, yeah, I'd go up it. Well, I'll see where I can see where that goes up. Now maybe they took the hole out so people wouldn't go up it. But, it looks like there's nothing really to it. You just go up and you're just there. So it's pretty cool. We have a little. Sorry, it's not Beatrice Abbey. It's Bective Abbey. There we go. There's the floor plan layout. So you might want to get a contractor in because you know they've done a terrible job. Like you know, there's no roof. Half the walls aren't up. Disgraceful. But, yeah, it's so beautiful.